how to download Valorant on your PC or laptop. This tutorial shows you how to get Valorant installed and ready to play on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. After that, type in playvalorant.com in the address bar and press enter to open the official Valorant website. From there, click on the Play Free button to begin the download process. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a Riot Games account if you don't have one yet. Go ahead and sign up for free. In the next step, once you're signed in, the Valorant installer file will automatically start downloading to your computer. Following this, once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer file to run it. Once done, a setup window will appear. Click on Install to begin the installation process. From here, Valorant will also automatically install the Riot client, which is used to launch and update all Riot Games titles. At this stage, wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After this, once the Riot client is installed, it will automatically open and begin downloading the full Valorant game files. Once completed, wait for the game files to fully download. This may take a while depending on your connection, as Valorant is a fairly large game. Finally, once everything is downloaded, click on Play to launch Valorant and jump straight into the game. And that's it. If this guide helped you download and install Valorant on your PC or laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.